Hello from Sketch Plastic Surgery. I'm Jung Hyun Wook, in charge of breast plastic surgery. Generally, there are augmentations with implants or augmentation using fat grafting. At Sketch Plastic Surgery, we only perform breast augmentation with implants. Currently, we use implants from Mentor, Selfin, and Motiva, using Mentor Smooth Extra 7 Purity and Motiva implants. Mentor Smooth has a shell that prevents internal silicone leaks and ruptures, with silicone inside that won't leak or melt. It is a product that has been verified for safety and approved by the FDA. Mentor Extra is from the same company. It's the first in Asia, following the USA, Canada, and Europe, and the world's 4th product launched in Korea. It's featured by natural movement and soft touch, especially as a fulfilling implant. The Mentor Extra is known to keep its shape. 7 Purity also has more than 30 years of history and long experience. It's proven implant that has been certified by Europe as its technology. Lastly, the Motiva implant uses an excellent gel with excellent viscoelasticity, and the internal silicone gel that maintains its shape moves under because of gravity. It has a shape and appearance similar to real breasts. When people are standing or lying down, depending on the posture, the implant naturally changes as the center of gravity of the implant moves. It's the implant that's similar to real breasts. Implants used in breast augmentation, they're not permanent. There may be cases that need to change implants for various reasons. Some people, it hasn't been a few years. They have problems to replace implants. Some people use them for over 25 years without replacing them. Most experts say that the lifespan of implants is about 10 to 20 years, but what number of cases will occur, this is sometimes difficult to predict. However, in general cases, you can expect a lifespan of 10 to 20 years. The first day after the breast augmentation, we dress it, and we remove the stitches after a week. Unless it's a complicated resurgery, we don't use surgical drain bags. After removing the stitches, we tape it, so that the surgical marks don't get worse. We take care of the implants with compression garments so that it doesn't move. For the Helite laser, which is good for relieving swelling pain, we provide barbell service. About a month after the surgery, it sometimes feels a lump in it. When someone else touches you, it's expressed as if the skin is too firm. It lasts for 2 months and gets loosened. It gets a lot softer about after 3 months. After about 6 months, you can predict the texture of the implants you touched before the surgery. For 2 days after the surgery, you should keep the area out of water. Normally, when you take a shower after surgery, we recommend wearing a waterproof bandage. A sauna is also possible after a week of removing the stitches. Avoid things that affect recovery, such as alcohol and cigarettes, as much as possible. The breast implants are placed above and below the muscles in the chest. It's good to avoid moving your chest muscles a lot. You can do everything in your daily life, a movement that moves your arms strongly, for example, sports such as golf, swimming, Pilates, etc. We recommend you to avoid it for 2 months. If a constant force is applied to the implants, the position may shift. To prevent gravitational displacement, it is recommended to wear compression garments for 24 hours a day at the first month. After that, for about 12 hours. After that, in order not to shake your chest due to jogging, wear a sports bra to prevent shifting. After about 6 months, you don't have to pay much attention to the external fixation. The side effects of breast augmentation are asymmetry due to the displacement of the implants. Around the breast implants, capsular contracture could occur. Even if there's no strong shock, artificial implants can be damaged. If there are wrinkles on the surface of the implant, continuous impact will lead to the damage of the implants, therefore need a close caution. Breasts for females are a very important part of the body. Therefore, there's so many women with low insecurity, and breast augmentation can be the solution for it. Breast is an important part of the body. We'll try our best for a safe and comfortable surgery with a fast recovery. I'm Jonghyun Wook from Sketch Plastic Surgery. Thank you.